Writing mistake checking tools you should be using. Writing doesn't come naturally to everyone. Even good writers need help. These tools can help you improve your writing by making suggestions. Do bear in mind that the emphasis is on the word suggestions because the suggested tools themselves don't make the writing better. You do need to have a relatively good understanding of the English language and know enough grammar to both read and understand the suggestions so that you can make a choice. Let's take a look at Grammarly. This is a great plagiarism checker and grammar checker. You do need to have a basic understanding of grammar yourself to use the tool, but it gives suggestions that might make your writing better. You can use this both online and as a plugin for your Word application. At the time of creating this video, Grammarly claims to enhance clarity and meaning while being able to fix over 250 types of errors that even Microsoft Word cannot find. Here is the link to the website. Copyscape. This tool simply checks for plagiarism. It's great if you want a one-feature helper that's fast and easy to use. You can cut and paste each article into Copyscape to ensure it is 100% unique. This online tool easily checks up to 2,000 words with ease. This is a great tool for online bloggers, writers and internet marketers. You can check it out here. The Hemingway app. This online tool is free to use and will help you to write bolder, clearer and simpler prose. You can use the desktop version or paste it in your text in the online version. It lets you know if your sentences are too hard to read, if you use passive voice and more. Feel free to check it out at this link. Word counter. If you fear that you overuse certain words, this word counter will list the words you use and count them. That way you can make sure that you're not overusing any particular word. This will help you stay below that 2% keyword density that you seek. You can find the website here at this link. Grammar Girl. This feature on quickanddirtytips.com is an amazing way to double check whether or not you're getting a confusing concept right. Just do a quick search and she'll explain the concept to you in a way that you understand and don't forget. One Look. Use this online dictionary search tool to look at several dictionary options in list form for your particular search term. The search returns are very impressive and you can be certain to get the correct meaning for any word. Slick Write. This tool checks grammar, stylistic mistakes and more. If you want to know if you're being redundant or using the same word too many times, it works great. Many of us have particular words that we like to use. This helps give new suggestions. Polish My Writing. This online mistake checking tool will help you make your writing better by making suggestions that might work better for you. You need to know what you're doing to use this. Just follow this link to get to the website. Writing mistake checking tools are important additions to any writer's arsenal, whether you use Microsoft Word, Pages or something else entirely. All of these tools can be helpful. While some are free, some have a paid upgrade. None are expensive. Try these tools one at a time so you can learn enough to get the most out of them.